Hi guys, it's Orlando here, and I'm super excited to be doing the first ever voiceover for Bakery Bliss. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dr. Seuss baby shower cake. For this first part, as you can see, I'm just assembling the bottom tier, giving it a quick crumb coat, and then following that with some yellow buttercream. Okay, now here I've already started to assemble the second tier. I forgot to start recording that, but basically what I'm doing is the cat in the hat's hat, and that's why I'm kind of offsetting the cakes a little bit, so that way it can give it that curve the hat has. Then I'll crumb coat the whole thing and cover that in fondant later on. Okay, and now that that's all set, I've put it in the fridge and I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit. I've moved on to working on the bottom tier again, which is actually inspired by the book One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. And now I've cut out some blue fondant waves that I'll be using as the bottom border. I'll just put that all around the cake and then go over it with some black to give it that Dr. Seuss appearance. Now for the finishing touches, I'm going to be going around the cake, adding the fishes and the writing. Then I'll go back in with the black food coloring and add all the details to the fishes. moving on to the second tier, now that it has chilled for a little bit and it is nice and ready, I've pulled it from the fridge and I have started to put the fondant on there, starting with the red for the top so that way I can cover that easily with the stripes. I'm going to start with the red stripe and then alternate between red and white, all the way up until I've covered the whole hat. Alrighty, now that my hat is all covered, it's time to stack the cake. In this case, I'm starting to put the dowels in. I usually put 4 dowels in to support the second tier, and in this case, because the hat has a little bit of a tilt, I've put 1 big dowel in to support the whole structure, and that's what you see me doing now. Now I've started to stack the hat on there, moving it around to make sure that it's right in the center, and going right in with the band around the hat. Now that I've adjusted the band to my liking, I'll be going in with some of the black, the same black, to add all the Dr. Seuss details and really bring the cake to life. Well, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's taken me some time to get together, but I'm so excited I finally did. And please give me all your feedback. Let me know what you guys thought and what you would like to see next. Thanks.